everyone, today is a lovely Saturday in Bombay and it's raining outside and it's so gloomy and cozy and that weather where you just want to stay inside and like bake cookies. Yeah. And like literally do nothing, but you want the vibe of baked cookies. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I am joined with my lovely chef sister Zoe. Hello.
I'm not a chef yet.
Well, whatever.
But,
She's a
yeah.
trainee chef. Isn't that exciting? Do you want to tell the audience about your time at training as a chef?
No.
Well, long hours and no cute boys is what I'll say. Yeah? You never laugh this much at my jokes.
Anyway.
LOL.
It feels weird being on camera since I have not been. I don't know.
Well, up the energy, sis.
I haven't been on this channel for a while, and I know all my fans are missing me.
Yeah,
That's
all your
what it
fans.
is.
Mama and daddy. Well, Zoe is always crying that I never do any taste tests with her because I'm always doing them with my dear friend Adi and she's a little bitter about it.
I'm not.
So today,
I am.
the
Low-key.
the lovely people at Tatsu sent me a stunning message and they were like, "Hey Ariana, we want to send you some tarts and you have to try them when they're fresh." And I was like, okay. And Adi was busy, so I said, "Zoe, today is your time to shine." So we're gonna do a taste test of these Japanese tarts, is as far as I know. Do you know any facts about tarts?
No.
You don't know any facts about
No, I don't know
Japanese
any
tarts?
facts about Japanese.
So you have done no research for this
no
video.
research for this video. You're telling me.
So what's the
you're
point of
telling
coming-
me you do research before the video, as if.
Cute
But I like
packaging.
that. I was just gonna say I really like that packaging.
Yeah, very
Look
cute.
at the bag.
The Japanese vibes are there.
Yeah.
This is our first reveal, okay?
Ooh. These are like the Portuguese egg tarts.
Yeah, I love Portuguese egg tarts. I hope they taste like Portuguese egg tarts. If these taste like Portuguese egg tarts,
Oh,
wow.
this is gonna be my favorite.
Ooh. Okay, so now we've got some plates and I'm so excited to start eating. We don't know any of the flavors.
We don't know any of the flavors.
So-
they're not mentioned, or if they are mentioned, we have no
We
idea what
are, yeah, we have no idea. But let's guess what flavors they will be.
they are. Okay, let's try.
Okay.
This is probably gonna be vanilla. This one we did cut, so we have attempted to cut it, but it's not the best.
It's okay, it doesn't matter.
But look at that. That's
Ooh.
it's looking good. You take the first bite.
Okay, I'll take the first bite. It's like jiggly, huh? They're like jiggly. Okay, ready? Mmm. Mmm. That is yum. Mmm. That's yum.
That's so good.
Yum.
That's obviously vanilla.
Yeah. Mmm. Much. Next one.
This is caramel top.
Yeah. Even I was thinking like a salted caramel. How fun. I love taste testing things.
Yeah.
You?
I love.
Ooh!
I love taste tests as well, but I just don't get invited to do them.
Oh. Someone's a salty caramel.
The same thing. Okay, but it's the salted caramel.
Wow.
It looks really nice. Okay, you take the first bite again. Or should I take it from... No, that's not true. Your bites are pretty big, huh? You like literally finished the whole salted caramel.
Mmm. Mmm. I'm not vibing. It's a little too salty and too caramelly for me.
I would agree. Only because I'm not a caramel fan. And that's just the only thing that it's my fault. It's not even the fault of this.
It tastes like, literally the taste is overwhelmingly of
Salted.
melted brown Alpenliebe.
No.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say Alpenliebe. Obviously, this one's gonna be
Okay.
the last. Okay, this is jam.
But great flavor guessers. Ooh.
This also, I'm not a jam person. Let's be honest.
Oh, but they look so pretty. They're really looking cute.
This is the jam. Okay.
Come.
It's more like a blueberry from the looks of it. It is blueberry. Yeah.
No. Actually, it is
Better.
giving. It's giving cheesecake.
It's giving cheesecake. It's also really, I like it better than the
Oh, same.
salted caramel.
Same. If you
It's
like
like a
blueberry,
no-bake cheesecake.
yeah. If you like blueberry cheesecake, you like this. This one is giving creme brulee.
I thought it as
Are
soon
we
as you
twins?
opened it.
We're literally twins.
As soon as you had opened. Okay, this one, do you just want to bite it? Because
Yeah, okay. I've already done it.
yeah. This is like a baked cheesecake vibe. Okay, don't tell me. Let me taste.
It's not creme brulee.
It's
It's so good. It's so
the
good.
best flavor after chocolate.
Blow.
Lemon.
Blow.
Lemon
It's
is
so
so
good.
good. It really is. This is so good. This one.
It's so good. Yum.
This one's my favorite so far.
My favorite.
And then the vanilla.
Yeah.
100%.
It's so good.
It's so good. I'd have a little more. And then finally, the one I've been looking forward to the most is the chocolate. It looks like a mud cake. Ooh.
It's looking too young.
Look at that. Cross section.
Wow.
It's like a choco lava cake.
It smells.
Oh, look
Yum.
at that gooey. Yum.
Okay, come.
Okay, you try it first. Oh, it's like a messy one. This one,
It's so good.
I'm not a big fan of the crust here, even though it's just cocoa powder added to the normal dough.
Oh, that's interesting.
But, ooh,
It's too
Yum.
nice. It tastes like chocolate cheesecake.
no.
Sorry, it tastes like chocolate mousse.
No, it tastes like a choco lava cake.
No, it tastes like a chocolate tart.
Okay, so if you can't get this, which I'm sure you can,
Yeah, you just have to order. I don't know where they're available, but I'll put the
But-
links in the description.
if you've ever gone to the bakery from Shalimar Hotel and had that gooey chocolate cake, this tastes exactly like that in a more liquidy.
No, it
form.
doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It tastes like a chocolate tart from any like bakery.
No.
Yeah.
No, I
Yeah.
disagree. No, I disagree.
Okay, so why don't you guys try it and let us know in the comments
Yeah.
who is right. It's
Me.
literally a tart and it tastes like every other chocolate tart.
No, it does not.
Yeah, it does.
No.
Anyway,
This
Pull up
is
some-
honestly a really nice chocolate tart.
it's a really nice chocolate tart. I will say it's really yummy.
It's a really nice chocolate tart. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It has a chocolate custard.
Yeah.
Which usually the chocolate tarts don't have. They just put ganache in a tart, like the RTI.
I was thinking of the RTI one. This tastes like that.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
No, this is so much better.
Anyway, I just feel like this was a great episode. Thank you so much for being part of it.
And I
Well-
should be on all these food videos, guys.
Maybe we'll do a taste test with Adi and Zoe, and that'll be fun. Thoughts?
That would be fun.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you so much for being on. Any last words?
No.
Would you marry her? Would you marry the star?
No.
Would you date the star?
Sure.
Oh, you would?
I would.
How interesting.
The chocolate one.
Interesting. I would date the lemon tart for sure. Any final words to say?
Like and subscribe. My favorite thing to say.
Okay. Thank
Like
you
and
so much
subscribe.
and God bless. See you soon.